now, this is a good choice of question. Again, we've got to work out what the general or nth term is. Now, it's worth it to you, right, to find out first, look at it first and say, all right, is it arithmetic? Is it geometric? And if it's neither of those two, right, then you have to get a bit creative about working out what the nth term would be. Could it be arithmetic? Let's check it. 3 plus 4, so I'd have to have add 4 again. No, that one would need to be 11, and it's not, it's 15. Alright, 15 here, the difference here is 16, so it's no good at all. We need constant common difference there, we don't have it. Now, the ratio, let's have a look. If there was a common ratio, what would it be? 7 on 3, here it would be, this is R1, R2, the next one, 15 on 17, 15 on 7, no, not at all. So, no arithmetic sequence, no geometric sequence. So, you've got to get creative and try and work out from the term number some sort of overall design. So here we go. And we're still after this. This is the nth term. Alright, here's our first term. Here's our second term. Here's our third term. Here's our fourth term. Okay, now, if you look at the numbers, the 3, 7, 15, 31. Now, you've got to be a bit creative. I'm going to put up for you here, I'll put up another set of numbers for you to look at, but I'll put these in red. Here we go. Instead of this one here, I'm going to write 4. Instead of the 7, 8. Instead of 15 here, 16. And instead of 31, 32. Now, these don't bear any relationship to each other, but each of them is one less than those numbers. Yeah? So, our terms now look like, let's see, I'll tidy it up a little bit. So 1 here. This one is 4 minus 1. This one here is 8 minus 1. This one here is 16 minus 1. This one here is 32 minus 1. Now, what do they all bear in common? The 16, 32, 8 and 4, they're all powers of 2. Yeah? They're all powers of 2. So, I can now write this as 2 squared minus 1. This one as 2 cubed minus 1. This one as 2 to the 4th power minus 1. And this one, 2 to the 5th power minus 1. Yeah? Alright, now, let's have a look now. 1, 2. 2, 3. Everything else is the same. 3, 4, 4, 5. See, the 1's the same, the subtraction sign's the same, the 2's the same, only the power is different. So, if I went along here, the 9th term would have to be what? Let's see. It would be 2, alright, that's 4, that's 5. If that's 3, that's 4. If that's 2, that's 3. So if that's 9, that's got to be 10, and that would be minus 1 there. Right, so in general now, the nth term, let's see. I've got to have the 2. I've got to have the subtraction sign. I've got to have the 1, because they've all got the 1. But here, the question is what the power is. Yes, good on you. She's got it there. It's 8 plus 1. Alright, we'll write it. And that's it.